Comparing a career change with children versus without them. Let's take an honest look. Without children, you enjoy greater flexibility with your time. This allows you to take risks, study late, and accept temporary pay cuts, quickly bouncing back if things fail. Errors may consume time. However, they don't jeopardize stability. With children, the dynamics shift entirely. Your capacity for risk diminishes. Your time becomes fragmented and divided. Every choice has wider implications beyond your own. Though learning continues, it requires structure now. Progress needs to be predictable and certain. Income gaps transform into significant risks, rather than just nuisances. Here lies the key difference. Career changes without children prioritize speed and agility. Changes with children focus on stability and careful planning. Neither situation is superior. However, conflating them leads to stress, exhaustion, and feelings of regret. Remember, the smartest switch isn't necessarily the quickest. It's the transition that your life can support over time.